Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your income tax return. Filing taxes can seem daunting, but breaking it down into simple steps makes it manageable. We will cover the essential information you need to know, from understanding your obligations to successfully submitting your return. By the end, you will feel more confident about navigating the tax filing process and meeting your responsibilities. Gathering your documents is a crucial first step to ensure accuracy and avoid delays. You will need your W-2 forms, which report your wages and withheld taxes from each employer. Also, collect any 1099 forms for income like interest, dividends, or freelance work. Don't forget records for potential deductions, such as student loan interest or medical expenses, to maximize your return. Once your documents are organized, it's time to choose how you will file. Many people opt for e-filing, which is often faster and more accurate. Alternatively, you can mail a paper return. The most common form for individuals is Form 1040. You might also consider using tax preparation software or consulting a tax professional for personalized guidance. The final step is to carefully review your entire return before submission. Check for any errors or missing information, as even small mistakes can cause delays. If you are mailing a paper return, remember to sign and date it. Ensure you submit your return by the deadline, which is usually April 15th, to avoid penalties. Congratulations! You have successfully filed your income tax return.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.